Okay, it was like raining pretty hardcore. And then now I think it's like snowing. So, and now it's supposed to snow. Yeah, so now it's like snowing, and it's supposed to like rain slash snow just randomly all through the night, I guess. So I've got my sleeping bag down here, and so yeah, I've got my sleeping bag actually back here. Normally I have two of them, but it's been like abnormally hot lately, and I took one off, and I was gonna throw it in the storage in the trunk, but funnily, I don't even know if that's a word, but crazy enough, I'm gonna need it tonight. I'm gonna have to put it back on, so I'll put this thing back on. Let's put this underneath. Freaking thing. Oh shit. Oh, okay. Oh, no. This one. This one. Oh, shit. Yes. There we go. This this is the hard part. 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 Will it fit? This is the hard part. This is the hard part. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's not in. It didn't go in fully. Oh, shoot. This is not gonna. It's not like fully in together. I think it works. It works out good. Now I'm gonna go to bed and hopefully not freeze, and we'll probably wake up to snow. So. Oh my god, it's cold. Holy crap. I didn't think it would be that cold last night. It was like colder than like some nights in February. What the heck? Like, thankfully I had the double sleeping bags, but I could still kind of feel the cold, like they weren't fully zipped up on the side, so the cracks, the air could get in, and it was still kind of cold. Like, it wasn't perfect. Normally during the winter I'd zip them fully up, get like a cocoon going, I guess. But I didn't think it was gonna be that bad. I thought it'd just be a little bit colder, because I've been sleeping with one sleeping bag. But yeah, that's the that's the car life for you. You never really know what to expect. Weather is your pretty much, well, I don't know, there's other things, but weather is a huge factor. You gotta always consider the loud rain and then waking up to freezing snow. I mean, at least snow is quiet, so you can sleep through it and then nobody sees in the back. But yeah, get yourself some sleeping bags, guys. Get prepared. Anyways, that's gonna be it. Stay safe, lock your doors. I'll see you next time.